Tranzact Card benefits. Here are 6 benefits of the Tranzact Card and examples of how each could be utilized. Double the dollars. Every time you use the Tranzact Card, you double your value, which essentially means receiving more for less. For example, LeBron James was excited to jump on board to use this for his merchandise sales. Each transaction would save his supporters money to support his brand. Fintech insured. The Tranzact Card is insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, providing a safety net for cardholders' funds. This means that even if the banking services provided by Solid Financial Technologies, Inc. and CBW Bank were to fail, the money deposited on the card is still safe. This assurance appeals to Garth Brooks, who could feel confident helping leverage the platform about the security of his earnings from music sales. Power Earn. The Tranzact Card allows users to earn Z-Bucks anytime the card is used, offering additional financial rewards. For instance, both LeBron James and Garth Brooks could accumulate a significant amount of Z-Bucks from their various transactions, which could then be used for further investments to give back to the community. Power Spend. With the Z-Bucks and Z-Club features, users can get exclusive benefits and rewards when they spend their Z-Bucks. Both LeBron James and Garth Brooks could take advantage of these perks, enhancing their brand value and creating more opportunities for their fans. Power Save. The features like Transact Up, Transact Back, and Z Forward facilitate saving and managing money efficiently. LeBron James and Garth Brooks provide more with their income from merchandise and music sales more effectively. ATMs. Free access to accounts across the U.S. on the National MoneyPass registered network gives users easy access to their money. This is a debit card, not a credit card. Fans of LeBron James and Garth Brooks can travel frequently to support their games and concerts. The Tranzact Card appears to provide a comprehensive financial management system that would appeal to a wide range of users, including celebrities like LeBron James and Garth Brooks, who could find its various benefits advantageous for enhancing their brand value. Donald Trump, with the Republican Convention, and Barack Obama, with the Democratic Convention. Agreeing on the merits of this card suggests that the Tranzact Card is viewed as a beneficial tool for the American public, with its various features that promote effective money management and financial gain. The Tranzact Card could serve the needs of many Americans, regardless of their political affiliations. Explore compelling reasons why Tranzact Card triumphs over Amazon. From being a gateway to financial momentum, offering an opportunity to generate passive income, to empowering the community with financial uplift, Tranzact Card offers features that go beyond conventional e-commerce. Break the traditional banking mold with Tranzact Card, and discover how it's reshaping the financial ecosystem for a better tomorrow. Change Crusader. Are you ready to create your own bank? I can. I will. I must. Let's go.